If you're looking for any kind of computer-related tutorial, you are here on the right channel. This time I'll show you how to make your document files as PDF. I'm June Agan, welcome to Mang Jose Online TV. Don't go away, I'll show you how.
Welcome to Mang Jose Online TV. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell to be a part of our tips, tricks and tutorials.
Welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button below and please click the notification bell to be part of our tips, tricks, and tutorials. What does PDF mean? PDF is an abbreviation that stands for Portable Document Format. It's a versatile file format created by Adobe that gives people an easy, reliable way to present and exchange documents, regardless of the software, hardware, or operating systems being used by anyone who views the document. This time I'll show you how to make your document files into PDF. This technique is effective only in Windows 10. First, let's check if we have a PDF printer. Click Control Panel, then click Hardware and Sound. Click Device and Printer. Okay, we have Microsoft Print to PDF here. This is what we will use so we can convert from documents to PDF. If you don't have one, you can go to Control Panel, then click Programs. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Keep watching. This time we will create PDF from our Microsoft Word and Publisher. But it can also be used in other programs such as Excel, PowerPoint, CorelDRAW, Photoshop and others. But we will only make 2 samples so that we will not be long. Follow my cursor. It's done. Hope this video is of great help. Please like and share to your friends. And click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be updated on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. And stay safe.
Thank you for watching Mang Jose Online TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you on next episode.